Vinyl gloves are created using polyvinyl chloride, PVC. It is relatively inexpensive to make, which is why vinyl gloves are the more economical choice. Vinyl gloves are commonly used for food preparation and low-risk tasks, such as DIY and general household tasks, making them excellent disposable gloves for everyday use. Their looser fit makes them great for those working in food retail, allowing people to remove them quickly and easily when dealing with customers. Vinyl gloves provide a good barrier for low-risk applications, so they can be used with detergents. They are not recommended for use if you come into contact with blood and bodily fluids because of the lower strength. Latex or nitrile gloves are the preferred alternative, as they are less likely to tear and provide a closer fit to the hand. Our range of vinyl gloves comply with European standards, as well as being food contact approved, suitable for handling all food types except for fatty foods. Vinyl gloves are available in a variety of colours, sizes and specifications, including medical, PPE and general purpose household, powder-free and lightly powdered. As vinyl gloves are latex-free and chemical accelerator-free, they are a good alternative for those with type 1 and type 4 allergies.